The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers. Title of the video: Adding Numbers Using the Expanded Form Template, Part 2. Let us add numbers where the sum of the two digits is exceeding 9. So let us see how we can handle when you get the sum of the digits in double digit. Now let us take the number 2837 and let us add this with 1394. Now let us place the numbers first. So let us take 7 from the 2837. 7 is the least number as far as the value is concerned, so we have to place that in the unit value, right? And second, let us take 3. 3 goes into the 10th column. The number 8 should be placed in the 100th column. That is, 100th column is to the left of the 10th column. And then take the number 2. The number 2 is placed in the 1000th column, right? That means 1000th column means the column which is representing the value 1000, right? Now you can notice 2 is placed in the column representing 1000. 8 is placed in the box which is representing the value 100. 3 is placed in the box which is representing the value 10, and 7 is placed in the box which is representing the value 1. Now let us place the other number. Start with 4. So let us place 4 below 7. 4 is indicating the unit value, and then 9 is indicating the 10th column. That is column which has the value 10, and 3 is placed in the box which is indicating the column 100, and 1 is placed in the box which is indicating the value 1000. Now we have to do addition. So what we do, the second number, that is 1394, is added to the first number, that is 2837. All numbers have Braille markings, so it is very easy to identify. Any changes and modifications you do, that should be with respect to the first number only. So what we do, add 4 with 7. Add 4 with 7. What is 4 and 7? 11. If the child is not able to do it by memory, you can use the beads also. Now 11. But 11 has 2 digits. So that means 11, the number 11 has 2 digits. 2 digits. Now it cannot be 2 digits in the unit column. That means what happened? So you have to keep the 1 in the unit column. 11 is nothing but what is the expanded form of 11? Now you get the expanded form. That is, expanded form of the 11 is 10 plus 1. So you have to add 10 to the number which is in the 10th column. So what we said, whatever manipulation, whatever amendments you can do, you have to do only with the first number. That means this 10 should be added with 3. Here 3, because it is in the 10th column, it is nothing but 30. It is nothing but 30. So when you add this 1, that is with 3, that means that will make it 4. That will make it 4. So now the 11 that you get in the unit column, you retain 1 here and taken that to the next number, thereby the number 3 became 4. Right. Now that task is over. Now you go to the next one. 9 is added with 4. So what is 9 and 4? 13. So that means the number is 13. But here again only one digit should be there. So what is the meaning of it? What is the expanded form of this 10th column? That means again it is 10 plus 3 with respect to the 10th column. 10 plus 3. So that means now you have to add this 1 with the 8. Add 1 with the 8 because 100 is a multiple of 10. So when you take 1 away, that means you are taking 10. That should be added to the 8 here. That means 8 and 1, that becomes 9 now. Right, that becomes 9. So what happens? Now you get 1 in the unit column, 3 in the 10th column. Now you go to the 100th column. 9 and 3 should be added. Now 9 and 3, it is 12. You have to add 12 in that 100th column. Now you cannot have 2 digits. You have to retain only 2. That means you have to add this 1 with which number? We said only the first number can be manipulated. Therefore this 1 should be added with this 2. That means you take that 2 plus 1 and put a 3 there. Right? What is the value of 3 plus 1? The value is 4. So what you get now? 4,231. That is 4 multiplied by 1000 and 2 multiplied by 100, 3 multiplied by 10 and 1 multiplied by 1. So the expanded form template helps the child to do the manipulation of numbers by himself, and that will help the child to understand the abstractness involved with the addition of numbers.